Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Now, in my opinion, LiveGood is one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single day, and there's no signs of it slowing down anytime soon. Now, with that being said, there are a lot of LiveGood haters out there. It seems like every week there's people dropping videos talking about LiveGood, why you shouldn't join LiveGood, why LiveGood is a scam, why you can't make any money with LiveGood. Like, more and more people are doing this. Now, normally when people make videos talking about other programs, they usually talk about them, and then at the end, right, they refer people to, their program or what they want people to get involved with. And that's fine and dandy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of YouTubers do it. I do it sometimes, right? So I get it. That's fine. But here's the problem, all right? Here's the problem. Recently, I saw a video from a LiveGood hater, right? He got a decent following. And basically, the name of his video was, why I would never join LiveGood. Something to that effect. So I'm like, all right, let me see what people out here saying about LiveGood. Let me see what the haters talking about lately. So I actually took time out to watch the video. All right. So in the video, the guy seemed cool, whatever. He's a network marketing guy, whatever. And he's like, I've been approached by LiveGood by 4 different people, and I told them all no, and I'm never going to join LiveGood, and here's why. In the video, he says, well, first of all, let's take a look at the LiveGood website. So he breaks down the actual home page of LiveGood, like the tour page, right? And he kind of nitpicked it, right? He kind of was like, oh, I don't like the way it's not lined up properly, right? And I don't like some of the text is cut off and all this stuff. And I'm like, what the hell is you talking about, man? You know what I'm saying? Like, what? Like, this is why you would never join LiveGood, right? But I'm like, hey, cool. If he felt like the website wasn't up to par, that's fine. Okay, I'll give you that. So then he pointed out just a couple little knick-knack things. He also said, well, where's all the testimonials at for the products? Where's all the testimonials? That's what he was saying. It's like, I don't see none of the testimonials on their sales page. Then he was saying they don't use enough pictures of people on their website. And I'm thinking, damn, dog, like, you really, this is why you hating on LiveGood? This is why you saying you would never join LiveGood because of this? But then he hit me with the real deal. This is the main reason he said he cannot mess with LiveGood. He said because they make false promises, and he said you cannot have a network marketing opportunity or any opportunity where you talk about people can make money without doing anything, right? Because there's no secret when it comes to LiveGood, it's on their sales letter. They tell you it's actually possible to make a little over $2,000 a month without having to do anything, without having to sell or without having to recruit anybody. You could earn over $2,000 a month, which comes from what they call spillover. And spillover is when you have people, that you come in, underneath, and they doing all this work, they recruiting people, and eventually people will just drop down underneath you. Whether you do anything or not, you're going to get paid off these people. A lot of companies have spillover, right? So this guy in the video says, this is illegal. I do not rock with companies who talk this shit. I will not stand for this. You can get paid for not doing anything. That's illegal. This is why I'm not messing with LiveGood. And at that point I said, hey, I know this dude wrong, but hey, if he feel, that spillover is whack. If he feel that making money while not having to do anything is whack, then I respect it. It is what it is, all right? So at the end of the video, he's like, I just want to tell you what I rock with, It's a company called Got Backup. Right? That's who I'm with. This is a company who I can stand by. Their website is cool. You know, it got multiple pictures on it. And their compensation plan is legit. Their compensation plan is legit. Now, I want you to really follow the story. All right? Follow what I'm saying. So the guy says, I rock with Got Backup. You know what I'm saying? So if I was you, check it out. You know, I'll put my link below. And I'm like, all right. He hit you with the YouTube strategy. You know what I'm saying? Dog one program to point you to yours. I get it. Now, I've heard of Got Backup before, and I have no problem with Got Backup. Maybe one day I'll use the Got Backup, you know, service, whatever. I have no problem with Got Backup at all. Actually, I know a guy who's in Got Backup. And he loves it, right? But, so, after I watched that video, I'm like, whatever. I'm definitely going to do a video on this hater, right? That's what I was saying. But another video popped up a few hours later from a Got Backup leader, right? Somebody who's a leader in Got Backup. So I was like, let me see what the hell they talking about. So I watched the video. And do you know what is one of the main features that the leader in Got Backup was talking about? Guess what it is? You right. He was talking about how you could actually make money from Got Backup without having to do nothing. You could actually receive spillover from Got Backup. I say, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't this about a bitch? So hold up. That first dude in that video talk about LiveGood. LiveGood this, LiveGood, man. LiveGood ain't legit, bro. You cannot have a program where you promising people could make money without having to do nothing. But then you refer people to a program where they can make money without having to do anything. Because Got Backup actually has spillover. So right there, it shows you that a lot of these LiveGood haters are just hating just to hate. They're hating because they want you in their program, or they're hating because they don't want you to leave your current program, right? So that's just crazy. That's another LiveGood hater exposed, right? Because people, straight up, including myself, are making money with LiveGood. LiveGood is the shit. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it really is one of them opportunities where it comes off like too good to be true. Like, this is what a lot of network marketers and affiliate marketers have been waiting for, right? You get some $25 upfront commissions. You get the opportunity to earn a little bit of monthly recurring income, but then you get this 50% matching bonus for every direct referral you bring in. Come on, man. Come on, man. Dope products. You know what I'm saying? Look, here, one of them right here. I'm about to do another video for my fitness channel. Boom. Dope products. Come on, man. This is it. The LiveGood haters got to stop, man. You got to stop. You know what I mean? So if you one of the people who you're thinking about joining LiveGood, but you're hearing some negative stuff, listen. Any of these opportunities, you're going to have to promote. Right? So if you're not a marketer, if you're not trying to get out here and promote whatever opportunity, you're not going to make money. Period. You're not going to make money with LiveGood. You damn sure ain't going to make money with Got Backup, because guess what? If you join Got Backup, you're going to have to promote it. Straight up. You're going to have to go hard with that opportunity, or any opportunity. So if I got to pick something to rock with, it's LiveGood. So if you want to get started with LiveGood right now, today, all you got to do is click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the team.